What is up, YouTube? Got my next venture here. This thing is huge. I don't even have enough room for the box on my workbench. I'm trying to do the best I can here, but yeah, this is the 1/16 scale Tamiya Jagdpanther. I think that's how you say it. So, from what I know about this kit, it was a display model for their RC version of this tank. So they made a model kit out of it. It's pretty intense. I got a really good deal. Well, I wouldn't say I got a deal on it. I got lucky and had a gift card, so I only had to pay $10 out of pocket for this, so that was wonderful. So yep, I am going to get this unboxed, try my best here, and we'll see what's inside. Now I know there's a couple bonus things inside here that I know didn't come with the kit. From what I understand, this was a estate sale model that they got it from. So all right, let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. Lots and lots of stuff. All right. These are tracks. These are huge. Pretty beefy and bulky too. Another set of tracks. These are actual metal. I'm sure they're going to go in for the tracks itself. Probably for the wheels, road wheels, drive wheels, that kind of stuff. I'm assuming. I don't know. Just taking a guess. Oh, yeah, it's pretty big. Pretty big body there. It's going to be fun to weather this. We're going to enjoy doing that a lot. There's our road wheels. There are various little pieces for them. I guess these are spare tracks, it looks like. Spare track pieces. Really good detail on them. Another pack of those. They're pieces to our turret. Lots of good stuff. Lots of detail. Here's our barrel. It's metal. Pretty solid piece. Nice. There's our muzzle brake. Hatches. Yeah. Rear, I'm assuming. Yep. The other hatches, it looks like it's for an exhaust for the engine. Maybe headlights. Yeah, all these little pieces for a lot of detail on this. Really happy. Now there's our cables. I think there's some string in here someplace. You can make it look like cable. I want to see if I can find some actual cable and hook that up. Yep. So your last plastic piece here. I'm assuming that's for the barrel mount on so it can go up and down. Other little pieces for it. Here's our novel. The instructions. Yeah. Oop, there's our decals. Probably use 321. I like that one. And then our paint guide. Got a little wet. I wonder how it got wet. Weird. I'm not really sure yet how I'm going to do it. I guess when I get to there, I'll cross that bridge and do it. Kind of like this one here a lot. Might go with that one. That one, I don't want it to look like a zebra. So, yeah, I don't know. I might change my mind. We'll see. All right, and I think these are all the extra pieces that came with it. This is the metal, there you can see it. It's the muzzle for a metal muzzle brake. Those are going to be for the back for the fans. I think that's the ones that actually came with it, because here's another set. We got 2 sets. So yeah, got some spares, so that's really good. Here's our bag of metal pieces. So I think the first steps we're going to be putting in, putting the metal stuff together before we get the glue out. We got our drive wheels in there. They're metal. And probably the return wheels are in there too. Here's the plastic for the road wheels, or the rubber for the road wheels. Jeez. And more rubber tires for the road wheels. And last but not least, here's the tub. Solid. Yep. So, yep, we'll start putting all this together, and be looking forward to comments and suggestions for the video, and I will see you guys with part 1 for the build. Thanks for watching.